So today we're going to try and cut up some big logs on our we're going to make a mill. We're going to do our best to make a homemade mill, and we're going to try and cut up these logs that we can use for our countertop. So we have this little Homelight electric chainsaw, and it came with this little 16-inch bar, but it's my dad's machine, and I don't want to destroy his bar, so I went out and I bought a 20-inch bar, or is this 18-inch bar. And so I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to drill some holes in it. We'll see what we can do as far as a little homemade makeshift mill. Yeah, see if this works. So now that I got our piece of wood cut, I actually planed this piece of wood down first, and then I oiled this side. Well, it's a wax and oil combination. I never used it before. I think I need to use it on another product or another project because it smells really good, and now I have one, so I'm gonna have to use that for something else. But I'm gonna drill out this hole and going into the plywood, and I'm gonna drill a hole here going into the plywood so I can fit this piece of 5/16 all thread, and then we can set our height on our little mill, makeshift mill that we're making here. And then cut this piece of all thread in half, 24 inches, so I need to cut it right here at 12. This one was being particularly tough. I had to wrap it in a paper towel. There we go. Now I just gotta deburr this, and we'll thread some nuts and washers on this. Washers and nuts on top, and that's our makeshift little mill here. So now I can set another 2x6 underneath this, and I can set my height of the bar. I can hopefully cut a slab of wood out of it. So let's get one of these guys out of the truck, see what we can do. So quite some time ago, I set up this here winch. It's an old ATV winch on the back of this, it's like receiver hitch platform. So I welded that on there. Then I made the leads long enough to reach the car battery, so that's what we're going to use to pull these logs out the back of this truck. At least try. We'll see what happens. Did you know that you could turn pretty much any winch into a wireless winch for about $20? You get one of these little remotes, and there's a box on top of the winch. Just turn it on, and now it's an automatic winch. Start the Jeep just so I don't kill my battery. Perfect. Now that we got this log like we do, here's the other end of that 2x6. And like I said, if you can't find a 2x6, maybe use some platinum or something like that if that might be a little bit easier to come by. And then you can just screw that to the top, and then we'll just take it and slice a little bit off the top. All right, so as you can see, there is a slice missing off of this log. That wooden homemade, mill jig did not work at all. So, well, it did. I managed to get a small slice. It's a very small slice. Past this, it was very, it wasn't very stable at all. So I went out and I bought this aluminum mill on Amazon. And also, I tried this before I grab it. I tried this little little electric chainsaw in this aluminum mill, and I was able to get this slice off. It just took a very long time. So you can do it with electric chainsaw, but to save yourself some time, get yourself a decent size, decent power chainsaw, and this should cut through it quite a bit faster. So yeah, I'm gonna get this all warmed up and get it ready to go.
Alright, so it's getting late, all of our wood is cut, and next time you see this, it's going to be dry and on its way to being a countertop. I almost always say cabinet top. I don't know why, but it's a countertop. We recently hit 300 subscribers. Woo! Thank you so much, Aubrey, for being our 300th subscriber. Comment down in the comments below and we'll reach out to you. We want to make you something. If you like this video, please like the video. Please subscribe if you want to see future updates. And you'll get a little notification on your phone when we make a new one. See you next time, guys.